Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This video is part 2. It's only been out a couple hours and somebody's already asked me the question how I drew that. Well, I didn't draw this. The person that sent me the file drew it, but I just recently seen this on Cuddle and it's pretty simple. Go to Polygon, set it on 8-sided and draw you an 8-sided polygon. It doesn't really matter what size. And then hit the plus key and move it up. Well, you grab let me zoom in here. Grab that, get it by that node right there on the 4-point cross and do that right there. And then plus key on this and do the same thing. So there's that shape. And what's unique about, I'd set my smart fill on white. What is unique about this shape is it will fit inside of itself. So let's rotate this thing. I don't know what the rotation would be. It would have to be even. So let's say 320. Nope. 325. Nope. 315 maybe. There we go. 315. Now, and this is going to make life a little bit easier. Now, I'm going to take this and make a copy of it, and I'm going to rotate this, and it's from 315, then minus 90 to turn it that away. Now, take your cross right there and put it right there. Now, the exception is that we've got this spacing, and there's several ways to do that, so let's just do that now so we won't mess up. And we're gonna use that same 1/4 inch, even though mine is a little bit bigger. We're gonna go to effects and contour to the inside 1/4 inch. And we'll go ahead and do both these. And now we've got this done, and you can see, well, really and truly, that's going to make it a 1/2 inch between there. So how are we going to do that? You know what? I'm going to have to figure that out. We'll tell you what, we're not going to contour it right now. So now you've got this, and what to make life easy, I will figure that out, I hope. Hopefully for the video finishes. We need to move it from right there to right there, and we're at 15.4. So we're going to change our nudge factor. Whoop. I don't know why that does that. To 15.4. And I'm going to change my nudge factor with nothing selected. 15.4. And then I'm going to grab both these, and I'm going to hit the plus key and nudge it down. So see what that did? That just continued that pattern. Then I hit the plus key again. Control D is what I meant to do. Control D. And your pattern continues. Now, I'd group this together, Control G. And it probably mathematically you could do it, but I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, and I'm just going to move that one up to there and have it snap to it. Now, instead of Control D, which is going to put it up there, I'd rather select both these, group them, Control D, and then just move this one over. And that way I'm not getting any more in height. And then to get that same look, all we have to do is take the virtual segment delete key and delete those outer ones and delete those outer ones on the inside. And you've got the same look. Oh, here's how we're going to contour. We're not going to contour. We are going to change this line thickness to 0.125 or 0.25. Then we're going to go to object, and we're going to go to, we've got to select, you know what, I might not be able to do it all together. You know what, that's the problem. I'm going to have to ungroup them. Because remember so I'm going to group them all. Now I'm going to select them. go up to object, convert the outline to an object, and then I can left click, right click. And because mine is bigger, now what we need to do is take this whole thing and hopefully weld it, and it should work. And you know it's working when it has to think. So now we have that. It's a 1/4 inch contour, with the exception that mine is bigger, so they look smaller. And then you fill that in with black and you get that same design. Now, let's go back. And because my drawing is bigger, let's make it, well, I'm gonna have to ungroup them. No, maybe not. Oh yeah, there we go. Select them all. Because this came up, I've lost my, so there, let's make it a 1/2 inch. Then go up to object. Now we're gonna have to ungroup them. See, there's 7 objects and there's really like 50. So we're gonna go to group and ungroup all. And now we can select them all. And we can go to object, convert outline to an object. Then we can left click, right click, and then take them all. And the weld is gonna get rid of those double little lines in the middle. That's pretty cool. I like the design. I'd actually seen it last week or a couple of days ago on Cuddle, where their program will actually stage this and move it around without having to do what we just did. That's pretty cool. I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.